Hello, good morning, Professor. Hope you are having a great day. In this video, I'm going to explain about my final project in cross-platform, that is Weather app. As we mentioned in the project abstract, we are going to display the current day weather that includes the temperature, the average temperature, the wind speed, and the weather forecast of the day, and the place and the date. And including that, we are displaying the weather forecast for the next 7 days. The information includes the minimum temperature of the day, the maximum temperature, and the forecast weather on that particular day, and the date on the particular place. So in our weather app, we have to search for a location. Then it will returns all the data, and it will displays in the app. So at first, I will show how our app works. So this is our app. So here I am entering our place. So I'm entering London. So it is displaying the place the which we searched, and the date, and the temperature, and the wind speed and weather. So the weather forecast today is rain, and it is moderate. And we are displaying an icon based that is based on the weather report of the day. So coming to the next part, we are again displaying the next 7 days weather forecast in the cards. So, and this is the weather forecast for the next 7 days in that particular place, London. It will display the date, the minimum temperature, the maximum temperature, and the weather of the day. And it will display an icon based on the weather report of the day. So let us search for our place, Wichita. So yeah, it loaded. So so this is our current weather report in Wichita State. It's clear sky, and it will display the next 7 days also. So coming back, now I will explain how we did this in MEI. So as this project is more complex, there is a must requirement that we have to use the MEVM. So these are our models, and this view model and the views. So in models, we gave the variable names and the classes which we need. So these are the weather constraints and the current weather. Current weather means we are displaying the today temperature, like that, today weather report. And the daily units. Daily units means this model is for the next 7 days. And coming back to view model, this is our control class or view model class. So at first, yeah. So when the user search for anything, it will create a new command, and it will ask the coordinates. So this is our get coordinates class. So when we call this class, it will search for the place, and it will return the location with latitude and longitude. If we got those details, then we have to fetch the weather report from the geolocation maps, which is provided by Google Maps. So using this command, we are calling the weather report on the particular place using the coordinates. If you pass the location means the longitude and latitude, then it will call the API, and it will return the response. So yeah, this program is for for populating the next 7 days weather forecast. So as we displayed, we are taking the time, that is the day of the day, that is the day, and the maximum temperature, minimum temperature, and the weather code. So we are using the two converters to display these icons and to display the weather report. So using our API call, we will get the weather code. So weather code can be is a two-digit number. So using that, we are displaying an icon, and we are displaying this icon, and we are displaying the weather report of the current day. So we are using two converters. This converter is to get the image. So using the code, we will display the particular image, and we are using another converter also, that is to display the weather report of the current day. So for example, here we are getting the clear sky. Clear sky means that is the case 0. And here the image, if we see this is also a sunny. So it is the sunny image. Uh, yeah, that's all, professor. It is working good. See, we are getting the different icons and the weather report of the particular day using those converters. And this is our main view, as I mentioned. So we are using vertical stack layout and horizontal and grid. Mhm. As I mentioned, as I mentioned, we are using converters. See, we are converting the weather code here, and we are writing an image based on the weather code. Yeah. Thank you, professor.